For this generator, the power supply voltage is 220 volt, and most of you will need to use an adapter for your electrical output in the wall socket. This is to show you how to install the medium-sized hydrogen generator, in order to hydrogenate your drinking water, and inhale hydrogen. To hydrogenate water, take the tube without the nostril parts, and attach it to the metal arm. Now we have prepared for hydrogenating water. Next, remove the other tube, the tube for inhalation, from its package. The package contains 2 tubes, so that 2 people can inhale hydrogen. Next, open the lid on the top of the generator, and fill the generator with distilled water. Only use distilled water for this is very important. Distilled water is easily available in supermarkets, gas stations, as battery water, or in hardware stores, or other stores. Distilled water costs about $3 to $4 per liter. Fill up to just above the clock on the front. Make sure that you always have enough distilled water in the device. Then screw the lid back on. Now, use the adapter and plug the electric cord into your wall socket. Attach the electric cord to the back of the device. Attach the tube to the device, to charge drinking water. Put the metal arm into a glass of water, and press the button once. The hydrogenating process is now on, and your drinking water is being charged. To get highly charged water, charge it 3 to 5 minutes. 1 liter takes 5 minutes to charge. Drink immediately after having hydrogenated, as the gas will dissipate after a while. If you want to keep the charged water for the day, use a bottle with a cap. Use regular drinking water to hydrogenate. The distilled water is only for operational use inside the device. The drinking water is now charged. Now, attach the tube for inhaling hydrogen, in the same place as before. Here, you see the part that goes into your nostrils. So, put it into your nose. Place the tube over your ears, and adjust the clip of the tube behind your head to fixate it. Press the start button. Now, you can inhale hydrogen via the nose. To turn off the generator, press the button for 3 seconds.